Dear citizens of the world, we are anonymous Tunisia. Once again the government of Egypt has failed to provide the people of Egypt their basic rights. At 26-01-2013, 30 people were killed and more than 300 were injured attempting to storm the city prison. They were fighting for the death penalties that were forced to 21 prisoners that were arrested last February accused over a football riot. The Egyptian government is taking away 21 prisoners' rights. Anonymous cannot and will not stand idly while people are being denied their basic rights and human liberties. The people of Egypt have shown to the world the power of their struggle. It is our duty to show our solidarity to the people of Egypt now, as we all did 2 years ago. The collective has spoken. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.
Keep